dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano boarding and day.
Morning, grade ones. This is yet another day that we have our lesson today, and today is still the month of April in the year 2020. But which day is it, children? The day is on 23rd. Now, on our lesson, to begin our lesson today, we are going to look at addition of patterns. Remember, children, we have been looking at addition of patterns. Last time we looked at addition of patterns, but adding numbers in twos. But today we are going to continue the same lesson, which is addition of patterns, but a different level, which is the smaller topic we have here. Number patterns involving addition in threes. Number pattern involving addition in threes. Now, to straight away go to our lesson today, we have some few examples or few work that we have to start looking at. To help us understand more about this lesson, we want to look at the example or the pattern below. For example, we have the first number is 23, children, and then after that, comma, 26, comma, 29, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, and lastly dash. Now, how do we get to the next number? We get to the next number by adding threes. Remember, children, again I've said today's lesson is we are learning how to add numbers in a pattern of 3, 3, 3, 3. Now, from the last number you have there, you have to keep adding 3 and 3 and 3. For you to get to the next number, you always remember to add 3. Now, we have an example there, which you have 23. 23 is up there. So when we have 23 plus 3, remember we have 23 plus 3. When we have 23 plus 3, how are we going to do it? We shall look at it this way, that we have 23 plus 3. Now, what are we going to do, children? Just look at it down here. You have seen 3 zeros there, so we will add 3. You will count with me from 23. How do we get to the next number? Let us go. Here is 23, and then we go 24 there, 25, 26. Our answer is going to be 26. Now, let us go to the next number. How do we get to the next number, children? For us to be able to get to the next number, it is 26 plus 3. If we have 26 plus 3, what will we do? We will add how many zeros? 1. We will add how many zeros? We will add how many zeros? Let's continue. We will add 1. We will add how many zeros? We have 23 plus 3. What shall we do, children? We are going to add 3 zeros. We will count 1, 2, and 3. So if we have 23 plus 3, we shall add and then get to the next number. So how do we add? We have 23, so we continue. It will be 24, 25, 26. Now our new answer is going to be 26. Then we have 26 for the last answer there. We have 26, for example, here. 26. If you have 26 plus 3, what are we going to do, children? We will add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And after adding 3 zeros, we continue counting from 26. So as we continue counting, it will be 26, 27, 28, 29. Our new answer is going to be 29. Now, let us go back to our sum there. So for us to be able to get to the right thing, we have added on an extra paper or an extra page that is very empty. I always remind you children, when you're working out your sums, to make your work neat, always remember to get an extra paper and then work it out somewhere and then bring the answer. So what did we get? 26 plus 3. 26 plus 3 gives us 29. Let us move on. Let us move on. Let us move on. Now, we have some given exercises there that we want to try and we want to understand or maybe work them out. So for us to be able to work this out, we are going to straight away go to an extra place or maybe an extra page. If you're at home, children, and you're working out these sums, get an extra paper. Then after getting that extra paper, work your sums out and then get the answers and put them in the dashes. So let us get there. But before we get there, let us look at the sum. The sum says 12, 15, 18, and then how many dashes? 2 dashes after that. So let us begin. We have 12. Okay. We have 12, 15, and then dash, dash, comma. So what are we going to do? We'll count here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then as we continue counting. So for us to get to 12, for us to get to the next number, we are going to count how many 3 balls. So we have how many? We have 12 there. So for us to continue counting, it will be 13, 14, 15. 15 comes there. And then for us to go to the next number, we will count how many balls, children? 3 balls. So that is going to be 15 up there. Then we continue 16, 17, 18. So our answer is going to be 18. We are not yet done, children. We continue counting. For us to continue counting, you add 3, and then we have 18 there. For us to go to the next number, we will add another 3 balls. This is 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 is the answer. So then we will go back to our work. We will go back to our work. We will have 21 here. And then we will have 24 here. So that is the way we get to the next answer. Then we have 51, 54, 57, 60. 51, 54, 57, 60. Let me not go so much on counting starting from 51, but let us just know one thing, that we are counting in 3s. So straight away we will actually just go to the right thing. We'll take the last answer, which is 60, and then add 3, and then we continue like that. So let's go back there. So we have the last answer was 60. So if the last answer was 60, let us move on. We have 60, and then it was comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, or maybe another dash. So for us to be able to get to the next answer, what are we supposed to do? We just take 3. Remember, we are counting in 3s. We add 3. That is 1, 2, 3. The last one is 60 there. So we continue counting. It's going to be 61, 62, 63. 63. Then for us to continue, add 3 balls, and then it will be 63 here, 64, 65, 66, 66. And then we have 66 there. We add 3 balls. It will be 67, 68, 69, 69. 9. So our new answers are 63, 66, 69. So it should be, our new answers should be 63 and 66. 63, 66. Okay. And then we continue. So we can even just continue here. So we have, this one is the last answer here. We have 3 balls. That is 86. 86 plus 3, 87, 88, 89. Come here and write 89. Add another 3 balls. So we have 89, 90, 91, 92. 92 for our answer there. Let us fill in everything now. And then here we have our last question there is 71. We add 3. So that's going to be 72, 73, 74. And then here we add 3 balls. That's going to be 74, 75, 76, 77. We add another 3 balls to 77, 78, 79, 90. 79, 90. So that is our answer. What about up here? We are filling in, remember, here we are saying 3 balls after 18. We go 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. After filling 21, we continue another 3 balls. We shall go, it will be 21, 22, 23, 24. Now, those are our answers, which is 24 here. So this is the way we fill in, children. That is the way we do what, children? We fill in. So we rub here, so that we only remain with what? We want to remain with the answers only. We rub so that we can only remain with our answers. This is the eraser. We are rubbing. We rub all the zeros. So these are our new answers. These are our new answers. Now, to help us finish up the lesson, we have learned something, that we were counting in threes. We were counting in threes. So that is the end of our lesson today, children. Enjoy your holiday at home, and please remember to subscribe, finish your homework, and stay safe.